Hello everyone, I'm Harutu, the General Manager of Well-Made Company. This is our Sales Manager, Steven.
Our producing the caps, face masks, gowns, and shoes cover. According to your needs, we can design for you everything.
Okay, this is our VP International, Daria.
We have several lines of producing our product. Also, we are making all inspection and lab tests before to ship it to you. So let's go and see it. Here is our raw materials workshop. Linda is responsible for it, and today we will show you our raw materials workshop. This is our first step of the production, mass governance and everything. We are using the raw materials, put in the machine, and then from this is making the textile. Go into the machine, and under the very high temperature pressure, they're going inside of here. Here it's our final step, where we are making packing and cut it to the pieces. Then we use them for producing gown, cap, mask, whatever. So the mask included several fabrics. Here it's the most important, it's a Melt Brown fabric line. We would like to show you our production line, how we're making mask, cap, gown, and some other goods that producing by our company.
And also show you the inspection and the lab test during the production. Here is our gown workshop.
They're receiving raw materials, sew it together, and then send it to our inspection department. The next step, we are checking the quality and making separated it. So I did not find any problems on my gown, but Steve find this one, so it cannot be shipped to overseas. We are making it separated boxes.
Here is our packing area.
We put the gown to the client's request packing. Plus, we add the stickers and the certificate of the quality that approved by our department. It's our team responsible for the production and provide you the best service. 不合格品. It means here the all stuff that not is passing our quality control department.
Next step is baking.
We will go to our baking area and see how we make it.
Let's go.
Let's go!
It's our face mask production line.
We are making different colors masks for kids, adults, medical and disposable.
Here is our baking area.
We have put the mask in the boxes and certificate for the client.
This is the final steps of the production.
And we are so happy to send it to you. So, if you are searching some suitable supplier for disposable products, we will be so happy to help you.